friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and we are starting off the new year. This is our first video for 2022, and for this video I wanted to talk about the color trends for 2022. Now, there are several paint companies that have put out their colors for 2022, and the majority of them has specified green as the color for 2022, whether it is a light green, a dark green, a forest green, a Kelly green. Green is in for 2022, and you guys know I love that because my accent color here in my home is green. You guys know I always decorate with black and white. Black and white are my signature colors, and my pop of color or my accent color has always been green. I use it in my photos, as you can see here, and I use it in my plants. That is how I bring greenery into my home. So let's say green. Green's the color trend of the year. Let's say you want to incorporate a little bit of green into your home, but you don't want to go all out. Well, there are several different ways that you can add green into your home for 2022. Let's say you're a little bold, you want to step outside your comfort zone, and you want to use green as an accent color. Well, you can pick one wall in your home as a feature wall and use green as an accent color. As you can see here, there are several different ways you can incorporate green as an accent on a wall, or you could paint more than one wall. Let's say you have a room you want to use green in. You can use green or a lighter shade of green, any color green really, in any room in your home that you think it might work. But let's say you don't want to actually paint a wall. Well, you can bring in green in your accessories. So you can accessorize using green in your pillows, your decor, your curtains, your throw pillows. You can incorporate green in those ways, and that is what I intend to do in my home for this year, for spring. So I also use it's called a grage green last year that I absolutely love. I'll be using that again in my bedroom. I showed you my bedroom spring tour, I believe, last year. If you missed that video, I will leave it linked in the iCards above as well as in the description box below, so you can go check that out on how I incorporated green in my master bedroom last year. I think it flowed really well. It was not too bright, it was muted, it was just right. So again, another way you can add green into your home, you can bring in lamps that are green in color. So there are several different ways that you can incorporate color trends into your home. So plants, as I said, are one of the ways that I incorporate color. I use them all around, and I will put up some photos here of other ways people have used plants to accessorize and bring color into their home. I absolutely love the photos. I love how they have brought in the green. I wanted to give you some ideas and suggestions for how you can bring green into your home this year. video has inspired you. If so, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you are not yet a part of the iStylEMYSTYLE family, I would so love it if you would hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell and become a member of the family. I have tons of budget-friendly home decor and decorating tips on a budget coming up that you don't want to miss. So I will see you in the next video.